Hello, I'm Nick. I'm passionate about driving success in the realm of Amazon FBA through strategic product research and supplier sourcing. My passion lies in meticulously sourcing the market to identify innovative products and reliable suppliers that align perfectly with your unique needs and objectives. Whether you're looking to streamline your supply chain, optimize product quality, or explore new market opportunities, I'm committed to delivering tailored solutions that drive your business forward. My approach is rooted in true research, strategic analysis, and proactive communication by staying abreast of industry trends, leveraging a vast network of suppliers, and employing rigorous evaluation criteria. I ensure that every recommendation I make is backed by solid data and informed insight. Furthermore, I understand the importance of building strong relationships built on trust, transparency, and mutual respect. I'm genuinely excited about the opportunity to collaborate with you and contribute to the growth and prosperity of your business together. We can navigate the complexities of the market and unlock new possibilities for innovation and growth. I look forward to embarking on this journey together and exceeding your expectations at every step. Explore my portfolio, see real-world examples of my product research and supplier sourcing project. If you're ready to unlock the full potential of your Amazon business, let's collaborate and turn your aspirations to reality.
The first thing we have to consider is to check the list of restricted products which we cannot sell on Amazon. And here's the list. And the second thing is to check the gated categories with products which requires a lot of approval. The last thing we have to check before we proceed to our product searching is those products will have to undergo hazmat review. Using manual research, the first thing I do is to select the best selling product. Then choose category, for example, baby. Under baby, I choose breast milk cooler bag. Then put the desired price, for example, $25 to $50. Usually, the product price ranging $25 to $50 has a higher chance of high profitability margin. After this one, I'm gonna use MBS Retriever Chrome extension to check if those products are qualified to our criteria. But before that, we have to remove those products which are not similar to our chosen product. Then if we're done removing those images, let's open now the MBS Retriever Chrome extension. Then choose one from top 3 with high revenue and less review count. For example, this one. I'm gonna copy the ASIN or Amazon Standard Identification Number, a unique number given with Amazon. Once we get the ASIN, I'm gonna use the Amazon Profitability Calculator to check the estimated profit margin of our chosen product. So let's select. Let's put the ASIN. Search. From here, we can see the details and the net margin. We can analyze the fees and the estimated profit margin of our chosen product.